Hello family, friends and customers. Here I have a kitchen color wall change, painting ceiling, trims and walls. This is the final product. The walls were a red maroon color. You can see absolutely no red at all. Nowhere. It's all gone. Trims got 2 coats. B-boards, 2 coats. The owner's gonna change this door and put a fireproof door here. I really gotta say that I love the Sherwin-Williams paint. This has just such a beautiful sheen to it. Again, this is such a class painting and handyman service in Rhode Island, 401-696-1650. You can find me on Google, Google+, YouTube, Yelp. You can follow me on Instagram. Unbelievable, beautiful, beautiful work. You can call for your free home estimate at 401-696-1650. Someone will be out to give you an estimate. I want to thank you for watching, and until the next one.